AK sir, your English language tutor. Barge. Barge. A long, flat-bottomed boat for carrying freight on canals and rivers. Boat. Boat. A small vessel for traveling over water. Canoe. Canoe. A light, narrow boat with pointed ends and no keel, propelled with a paddle or paddles. Ferry. Ferry. A boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relatively short distance and as a regular service. Yacht. Yacht. A medium-sized sailing boat equipped for cruising or racing. Sailboat. Sailboat. A boat usually propelled by sail. Ship. Ship. Any large floating vessel capable of crossing open waters. Gondola. Gondola. A light, flat-bottomed boat used on Venetian canals. Submarine. Submarine. A warship with a streamlined hull designed to operate completely submerged in the sea for long periods. Trawler. Trawler. A fishing trawler is a commercial fishing vessel designed to operate fishing trawls.